Hi everyone. So I believe this video is going to go up on Sunday. So if I get it up on Sunday, happy Sunday. I hope you're doing really well. I just received some fun new stamps from Adorn It, and I thought that I would share them with you and then we'll make a card or two. So there's this one that says puppy love. How stinking cute. I love Diana Markham's dogs. She actually has a couple of stamps with these cute little puppies on them, and I'm obsessed with them. They're so cute. So the next one says you're perfect, and I think this is my favorite. Of all the stamps I got this time, this is probably my favorite stamp. So we're definitely going to be stamping and coloring and creating a card with this one. Love it. I think we're going to create a card with this one too. And then we have this one, which has, I'm obsessed with the mugs, right? Oh my gosh, these mugs are so cute. So there's two little mugs, a little heart, a little banner. And then we have these steams that you can put on top of the mugs, which I think are adorable, right? So we might play with this one a little bit too, but I'm going to stamp and color. I'm going to stamp and color and fussy cut some of the images from these stamps, and then we'll kind of mix and match and decide what we want to do. But I really love them. They're so cute. So we'll see. I'm thinking, oh, we're doing the cats for sure, because look at those. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I really do love these two, but I really love this one too. We'll see. I'm going to stamp and color them, cut them out. I'll show you how they look then, and we'll come up with a plan for a couple of cards. Okay. Okay, so here are all of those beautiful stamps, all colored up. I added some white gel pen accents on them, and I did add some glossy accents to some areas. I'm going to go through these cards super quick. So I grabbed 3 of my favorite Mojo Monday sketches, and I grabbed from my 6x6 paper pad stash these 2 paper pads. I also grabbed those dies, but I'm not going to use them. And I also grabbed the stamp set, which I decided not to use either. So what I did was I went through my old paper pads. So these are probably no longer available. One is from Amy Tangerine. It's the Picnic in the Park 6x8 paper pad. I actually have 2 of these. And then the other one is Lawn Fawn. And both these paper pads I've already used, and they are older. I have been really trying to use up some of the paper pads in my stash that are older, that I want to use up and get them out of my stash and onto some projects. And we are actually going to use quite a bit of this Lawn Fawn one, which made me super happy. So I'm going to start by choosing the patterns from these 2 paper pads that I want to use on my first card. And I'm going to pair these patterns with the puppy dogs that says puppy love. I'm not going to follow any of these card sketches perfectly. I am really just going to use them as an idea for how to pull together the layers. And that's usually what I do with my Mojo Monday card sketches. I adore them because they do have all those gorgeous layers. And when it comes to card making, I need a jumping off point to get an idea for how I want to position all these papers. So for this one, I'm matting each of the layers with some black cardstock. I really wanted to punch up the black and white and the teal. I wanted to keep this card pretty kind of monochromatic. And you're just going to see like little bits and pieces of these patterns behind this larger stamped image. And I love it. I think it turned out really, really nice. So cute. So then we can just put it right onto a card base, and away we go with our next card. The next one turned out so cute. It might be my favorite. So I just took these 2. I used mostly the Lawn Fawn watercolor paper. I used 2 of the scraps and then 1 of the polka dots. And I look how, I love how this one turned out. This is my favorite. It's so like bright and cheerful and so cute. And I know exactly who it's going to. So I have the two little cocoa mugs here, the girl and the boy. I'm going to overlap them a little bit. And then across the top, we're going to put that gorgeous like heart bunting with all the colors. So stinking cute. I will end up kind of cutting off the mug handles and some of that heart banner, but that's okay. That's totally fine with me. I still think it turned out like adorable. I absolutely love it. I'm choosing to adhere my elements down with wet glue simply because I know I'm going to have to cut off the edge of those mugs and some of the top of the banner. And I wanted to make sure I had a really strong adhesion so I don't accidentally, when I trim off the mug handles or trim off the banner, I didn't want to accidentally take more than what I wanted, because sometimes things will shift, or you have areas that aren't with the tape runner, you'll have some areas that aren't adhered well, and then things can go awry occasionally. So I wanted to make sure I had nice glued down edges. And then I am going to go ahead and add some foam dimension to the one mug. And then same with the banner. I'm going to adhere it down with some wet glue just to make sure I have it nice and stuck down, that it's not going to shift or move on me when I cut off the edges. And then pop these up onto a card base, and we are ready to go. I just love this one. Of all the cards I made with these stamp sets, this one is probably my favorite. It is so stinking cute. So card number 3 is going to be the kitty cats. And then I'm just going to go ahead and cut down some of these papers. Again, following the basic sort of idea of this Mojo Monday sketch that I chose, but not following it very closely at all. And I chose these like bright, fun colors. I was really into that picnic in the park paper pad. I thought it would be just so lovely for these gorgeous stamp sets, giving them this like bright, fun backgrounds. So now I'm just going to adhere all of these pieces down and get them all into place. As you can see, I eliminated that circle. I'm going to work on the inside a little bit. This is just like a little scrap piece, and I thought, well, that would be super cute to put on the inside. I'm actually going to go back and add a little bit of like a fishtail banner to the inside of that one. So get all 3 of these layered pattern papers onto the card front and then onto the card base. And then I had this extra little heart image, and I thought, oh, that's so cute. Let's add that to the inside too. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to fix this. I'm going to add just like a little ribbon edge to it, and then I can stamp a sentiment into there and add that little heart, and then add the card front onto my card base. And all 3 of these cards are done. Quick and simple. I love how these turned out. They are just these bright, fun candy colors, and those cute little dogs and cats and coffee mugs made me so happy. So here are those adorable cards. Here are the close-ups. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will talk to you again very soon. Bye.